So guys, today we're going to be reviewing the Fender Genuine Parts Accessory Kit. This is the color Aged White. As you can see in the bag, it's not a toy. But you can start here, you have your plastic pickups, you have your plastic pickup covers, your 3 knobs, your backplate, and the little selector switch down here. So it's just in like your normal Fender packaging, just 2 staples to really bolt on the paper to the bag. So let's do it right here. So we have, the knobs are actually like taped on to the backplate, so let's take this off. And if you look closely, they put it as tone, volume, tone, which is pretty cool. So you can see, here's the backplate right here, pretty thick. There's the back, and here's the front. So a quick look at the tone knob, you can see, as you can see, it's aged white. It has your gold kind of like leaf look to it, the classic Fender look. And on the back, you can see some of that like inside material that you put on the pot stem. So pretty cool. These feel like pretty high quality, thick. They don't bend easily. So if I'm trying to bend it right here, you can see there's no give or no flex. Same thing with here. It's very thick, high quality, but you can very slightly bend it. It's not easy to bend. So you can look at one of the pickup covers. Here's the inside. That's the front and the sides. And I think these will last forever. I don't think you really have to like get a different set of these every couple years or so. It's a very nice feeling. Very high quality, like Fender feel. Let's take a look at the trem, the whammy bar. See here, it doesn't bend. It doesn't want to bend. As you can see, I'm trying to bend it and it's not really bending. 5-way selector switch head. Here's the cross. Again, I can't bend it at all if I wanted to. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch y'all later.